It has been 3 days of the much adrenaline-packed and much hyped World Rally Championship. But these celebrations have come with their share of misadventure. Many road users were stranded for the better part of the day due to traffic congestion on the Nairobi-Nakuru highway. So much was the congestion that many churchgoers experienced the inconvenience as far as Machakos County.
You don't know whether it is a road construction, you don't know whether it is a diversion, you don't know whether it is a safari rally that is coming this other side. I mean, we are suffering.
Long-distance truck drivers were most affected. The Mlolongo-Machakos Road was a stream of traffic. Most of the drivers were forced to park their trucks on the roadside as they were not allowed to continue with their journeys.
Nilikuwa najua kuanzia saa 12 patafungwa, lakini nilifika hapa saa 7 ikawa njia ishafungwa. Tangu saa 7 mpaka saa hii niko hapa. Saa 7 usiku wa leo. Nilikuwa naenda Tororo, Uganda.
Hamna choo hapa. Chakula hapa, hamna chakula hapa. Hamna dereva na sufuria hapa atakayeza kapika hapa.
Mimi jana nimefika hapa saa 6 kamili. Ikawa wakati nimefika saa 6 kamili niliambia uwezi enda. Nikanyang'anywa kufunguo. Nikaweka gari kando. Nikafuata sheria na ngoja nirelease anytime.
As the World Rally Championship came to an end on Sunday, bringing a sigh of relief for many users of this highway connecting the city of Mombasa and Kampala in Uganda. Chebet Birir, KTN News.